Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to prevent interface animations on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've noticed that the animations feel distracting, or if you simply want a smoother and faster experience, this quick tutorial will walk you through all the steps clearly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it loads up, take a look at the very top left corner. You'll see three small horizontal lines, which open the main menu. Click on those lines to expand a list of options. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where most of Telegram's customization features are located. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Battery and Animations. This is a newer option introduced with a recent update, and it controls how the app handles animation effects. Once you enter that section, you'll find a variety of options related to how smooth or dynamic Telegram looks on your screen. What you want to focus on is the toggle for interface animations. By default, this is usually switched on, which is why you see little movements or transitions whenever you open chats, menus, or send messages. To prevent these effects, simply turn off the interface animations setting. With just one click, you'll stop all those animated transitions, giving you more straightforward navigation, and often a slightly faster performance. Especially helpful if your PC isn't the newest or if you just prefer a clean, minimal look. After you've switched it off, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This locks in your changes, so the next time you use Telegram, it will remember your preference and keep the animations disabled. And that's it. You've just learned how to prevent interface animations on Telegram for PC. It only takes a few moments, but it can completely change how the app feels, making it snappier, more efficient, and more comfortable for your style of use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, keep exploring more of Telegram's settings, because there are plenty of hidden tweaks that make a big difference to your everyday messaging.